Hi there, welcome to the overview video of the Memoir Workshop course and coaching program. This is the most complete program for starting and finishing your memoir this year that you can find anywhere on the internet. It combines both online lessons, videos, exercises, and story prompts that will help you find your direction to finally move past some obstacles that you've been facing, to know that you're on the right path. And I'm going to go through the program in this video. All of these things are included. That's why I said it's the most complete program you'll find on the internet to get you to the finish line finally, particularly if you've been thinking about doing a memoir for some time, thinking about finishing for some time. I think this program will finally put you on that path. It's very different than a lot of other programs online in that it's all one-on-one. You get specific feedback from me, and I'll talk about that in more detail in a second. It's not a group class. It's not something where you can have about 100 other people there. It's one-on-one. You're going to work with me to finish that memoir this year. Why me? I'm a university professor who has taught writing for close to 20 years. I'm widely published. I used to work as a journalist. I know what engaging writing looks like, and I want to take you to that professional level of writing that engages readers, makes them want to read on. That's the kind of people you want to entertain and inform through your writing. And I know what's possible. I know where the common errors are in people's memoir writing, and how we can very quickly fix those problems and really let the great stories that you have to tell, and I know you have great stories to tell, let those stories shine and come through in your writing. That's what we're going to work on in the Memoir Workshop course and coaching program. So I'm going to go through everything that you get in this program right from the start. Let's get right into it here. First thing you get is the complete memoir writing lessons, exercises, and story prompts. So this is a really rational program that you're going to work through where I'm going to give you writing lessons that are going to target those problem areas. Everybody has these problem areas in their writing. If you can get these out, you're going to be writing at a higher level pretty quickly. And I think by the end of 7 weeks of these writing lessons, exercises, and story prompts, you will be writing at a professional, engaging level. And you're going to get my feedback. That's writing feedback from me, one-on-one coaching. We're going to have a couple of Zoom meetings as well, 30-minute coaching sessions, where we can look at your progress as you go through this program, to talk about the stories you've written and make sure you're on the right path and spark ideas for the rest of the book. And you can ask me questions as well in those 30-minute meetings. And you really can't find this online much anymore. Typically, memoir courses are large format, multiple students. When you are done the draft and you felt like, all the stories are there, you've got the organization down. Organization is something I talk about in the course as well. You will send me your manuscript, and included in this program is a full developmental review. So that's where we look at the big picture. Is the structure working? Is the description strong? Am I seeing your characters? Is the dialogue right? Are all the scenes there for a purpose? Is it showing a transformation in you over time in the past? That's what a developmental review is for, and you get that included in the program. Then you take back my comments and you revise, and then when you feel you've completed it, you've got everything in order, it feels right, you send it back to me for a full manuscript copy edit. So that copy edit is the real, line by line edit to make sure that your sentences are efficient, focused, detailed, descriptive, and there's no embarrassing final errors, stylistic, punctuation, grammar, spelling, and so on. Those are all gone, and it's ready for either, sending off to an agent to query, sending it to a publishing house, or self-publishing if that's the route you're going to take. So those are kind of the 4 main elements of the memoir workshop. Again, the lessons, exercises, story prompts to get you sparked, get you going on the memoir. The feedback, you need feedback. You don't want to do this alone. You need somebody to say, hey, it's working. Here's what you need to do going forward. And then that developmental review, this often can cost thousands of dollars. That's included in this program. And then the final copy edit, again, to find those final errors. Now, within the program, you also get email support whenever you need it at any stage of writing. You can email me at any time, and I'll give my feedback. I also will provide a professional book summary for query letters and marketing campaigns. This can be for the back cover, it can be for the Amazon page. And a lot of my clients have commented that this aspect of the memoir workshop has actually attracted a lot of readers. Having a really breezy marketing description for the back cover or the Amazon page can really attract people to want to buy your book. The course also includes a punctuation course that you can go through your own pace if you're concerned about your knowledge of punctuation. Punctuation seems like a small thing, but it's actually really important. It's what holds the writing together. And that's a self-paced course within the program. And also the ultimate guide to proofreading. This can help you catch errors before I look at it, just to make sure that we have multiple eyeballs on this, to make sure that no embarrassing errors remain in the manuscript. And then finally, you have lifetime access to this. It's also at your own pace, so you don't have to start on a specific day. You can start today. You can start next week. You can go at your pace. I do recommend the first part of it to be completed in 7 or 8 weeks. Working with me, that's a nice pace where you can work through it. Obviously, when you get to the point of working on the full manuscript, that's going to take you longer. You're not going to finish your manuscript in 7 weeks. But I'm here for you. You have lifetime access. There's a 30-day refund policy for peace of mind as well. So that is the Memoir Workshop, the complete course for writing and editing your life story. I really think this can help you expedite your progress, can get you going if you haven't started, can get you finished if you're kind of in the middle and you're stuck and not sure where to go, and get your writing, your manuscript to a professional level that is really engaging and it's going to attract readers. I think that's the ultimate goal as a writer, is to attract readers, to get people interested in what you're writing. So the total cost of all this is $497 US. For some of you, I know you're going to say that sounds like a lot, but I think for those of you who have looked into these various elements, getting a coach, getting a developmental review, getting a copy edit, you'll know that that's actually on the very low end of the scale. You're getting the complete package for $497 USD. So contact me after this video at thememoirworkshop@gmail.com, or comment in the comment box on this video, and I'll get back to you about beginning. You can begin today, you can begin immediately, and let's get your memoir finished.